Now the next function of the promoter is name approval. Name approval is necessary after the incorporation of the company. The next important work of the promoter is name approval, that what will be the name of the company. So while deciding, after deciding the name of the company, the promoter has to submit the application to the registrar for deciding the name of the company, and for that he has to give three names of the company, and according to the registration application submitted to the registrar, out of these three names, one of the names should be decided as the name of the company. The name should be decided while keeping some important things just to be noted, that the name should be not misleading. The name should not means it should be not be prohibited one. That means there are some names which are prohibited, which cannot be accepted as the name of the company, just like the national emblem of the company, or the WHO or the UNO's name, or some other names which are not kept by any of the business professions, so they are prohibited. So while deciding the name of the company, it must be kept in mind that the name should be such, so that maybe already some company is not having that name, or any other existing company is not having that kind of name, or the name should be does not mislead the public. मतलब किसी से मिलता जुलता नाम भी हमें नहीं रखना है, ना हमें सोच समझ के इस कंपनी का नाम रखना है, ताकि हम किसी के प्रोडक्ट्स को किसी की कॉपी ना कर सके, या कोई ऐसा मिसलीड ना कर सके, और इट विल नॉट गिव एनी confusion to the consumer. So it must be very careful while deciding the name of the company. And after deciding the name of the company, an application is given to the registration office, which will be situated in the particular area of your locality. That registration office should be given the name, and from after registration, that name should be given to the company. So name approval is very important for the promotion. Next is fixing of signatories to the memorandum of association. Yes, after deciding the name of the company, after incorporation, the next step is fixing of signatories to the memorandum of association. That means the promoter now has appointed some signatories to the member of the company, or they will be signed the memorandum of association of the company. Memorandum of association, student, it is a document which are necessary to prepare फॉर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द कंपनी. हमें कंपनी फॉर्म करने के लिए मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है. इन दैट मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन द नेम, एड्रेस ऑफ द शेयर होल्डर्स, ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स आर गिवन एंड दे शुड बी साइन. सो यहाँ पर हमें दे आर फिक्सिंग द सिग्नेचरीज टू द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन. दैट मीन्स it must be the duty of the promoter that he should take the sign of the shareholders of the company, and those who are signing in the memorandum of association, they will be the first director of the company, and they may be the shareholders or owner of the company also. So the promoter has to appoint the different persons as the shareholders or as the directors of the company, and proper name, clause, and their address and the signatures should be taken from that signatories. So this is the next step. memorandum of association में जो भी हमारे मेंबर्स हैं, कंपनी के जो शेयर होल्डर्स हैं, या उनके हमें पूरा प्रॉपर नेम, एड्रेस और उनके सिग्नेचर्स उसमें रखना पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल. यस, आफ्टर मेकिंग द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, आफ्टर डूइंग द सिग्नेचर्स ऑफ द shareholders in the in that memorandum of association, the next step is appointment of professional. Yes, now promoter appoints some other person for helping them in working to run the business, or to assisting to make prepare other documents of the business, like auditor of the company, and also the mercantile banker of the company. These are the persons which are appointed by the promoter, which are helping for making the preparing the other documents of the company. जो promoter के काम में help करते हैं, promoter को assist करते हैं. Then next promoter जो है वो ऐसे कुछ persons को appoint करता है companies में. They are now next is the appointment of professionals. Next is the preparation of necessary documents. After the appointment of professionals, now the next step is preparation of the necessary documents for the company. For setting up of the public company, there are some documents which are necessary, like memorandum of association, article of association, and other documents are needed. So these documents are prepared by the promoter with the help of the professionals he is appointed, like auditor, etc. of the company, and these documents are necessary because these documents are having the name, address, and signature of the those who are the shareholders of the company, जितने भी कंपनी के जितने भी पर्सन मेंबर्स हैं वो सारे के सारे इस डॉक्यूमेंट्स में साइन करते हैं. एंड देर आर द आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन इज ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड. आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन, you know that it is a document in which the rules and regulations of the company form of organization is given. कंपनी में क्या रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो करना है, दैट शुड बी गिवन इन द आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन. एंड द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, एड्रेस ऑफ द पर्सन, सिग्नेचर ऑफ द पर्सन, and they are working as a shareholders of the company, it should be mentioned in the memorandum of association. So that the promoter is preparing the following documents like memorandum of association and article of association and other documents which are necessary for making starting of the company, for establishing the company. So students, you can understand that who is a promoter, what is promotion, and what are the functions of promoter. प्रमोशन जो है वो कंपनी की फर्स्ट स्टेज होती है. अगर हमें कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी है तो सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेज जो होगी, सबसे पहले हमें प्रमोशन करना होगा कंपनी का. और प्रमोशन के लिए वी हैव टू अपॉइंट अ प्रमोटर एंड दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग ऑल सच वर्क फॉर स्टार्टिंग द कंपनी, लाइक आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड फीजिबिलिटी स्टडी वो करता है. आफ्टर दैट ही विल अपॉइंट द सिग्नेटरीज ऑफ द प्रोफेशनल्स फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो name is also decided by of the company is by the promoter only. कंपनी का नाम भी प्रमोटर डिसाइड करेगा. एंड ऑल्सो ही इज प्रिपेयर अदर नेसेसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर रनिंग द कंपनी. कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के लिए, कंपनी को चलाने के लिए जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स की जरूरत पड़ती है वो सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी प्रमोटर ही प्रिपेयर करता है. सो दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ प्रमोटर ऑफ अ कंपनी.